Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to remove blocked WhatsApp contacts by using your Android mobile. At same time this trick also works on iOS platforms because these WhatsApp settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all open your WhatsApp Messenger application. So now in this chat section, in right side up top, it shows vertical three dots icon. So simply press this icon and then go to settings. So now this time you can go to account settings and the first one. And this section has some additional subcategories. So here you can select privacy. So just scroll down and then I get the option called blocked contacts. So just click to open it. So I blocked these 4 WhatsApp contacts. So if you want to unblock it, just tap on that particular user and then it shows unblock option. So just select it. So same way you can unblock your all WhatsApp contacts by watching my tutorial. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.